Curriculum design today is more than meeting academic standards, it's about creating an experience. One that equips students for the challenges ahead, helps them discover new passions, and shapes the future workforce. But where do you begin? Start with your students. Who are they? What do they want? Understanding their backgrounds, motivations, and career paths ensures your curriculum resonates with their needs. When your curriculum speaks to their needs, you're setting them up for success. Think about the end goal. What do you want students to walk away with? Setting clear outcomes gives your curriculum direction. And don't forget to tie it all back to standards like Bloom's Taxonomy. It's all about making sure your students are ready for whatever comes next. Today's students want options. They want to mix things up, learning in different ways, collaborating with others, and using technology to make things easier. Blend traditional teaching with new ideas. A flexible, forward-thinking curriculum keeps students engaged and ready for the future. Technology should make your life easier, not harder. With the right tools, you can automate the boring stuff, approvals, tracking, updates, so you can focus on what counts, your students. Get everything organized and streamlined with just a few clicks. Curriculum design isn't a solo job. Get feedback from everyone, students, faculty, and even industry experts. Their input helps you tweak things, making sure your curriculum stays fresh, relevant, and in tune with what's needed out there. Visit creatrixcampus.com today.